I was sent this PetSafe Guardian GPS and tracking dog fence collar for review. Now I'm going to show you a little bit about the setup and how the app works.
Connecting the charging base and setting up the collar is nice and easy with the app. It walks you step by step through the process. It does say that this part can take a few minutes, but I was surprised that it actually did. I feel like usually when it says that, it still only takes 10 or 15 seconds and then you're good to go. But I did actually have to wait for this to connect, and it took a couple minutes. I received a GPS collar activation link. Within a couple of minutes, I got my subscription activation confirmation. You do have to pay for a subscription in order to use this collar. You won't be able to set up your virtual fences until your subscription is activated. After activating my subscription, I now have options in the app that I didn't have before. I have this Fences tab and a Settings tab. The Fences tab is where you create your virtual fence or fences. And in the Settings tab, you can control settings for things like the individual collar or collars you have set up with this, settings on your charging base, notifications, etc. Here's the fun part. Here's where you get to actually create your pet's fence and finally get going with the system. Once you connect to the collar, you need to set your correction type. You can set it to vibration or static, and the app is where you'll also set your static level. The app has helpful steps for setting up your first fence. For example, it suggests that you keep your fence post 25 feet away from buildings and from high-risk areas like a road or a neighbor's yard. And you will need a minimum of 4 fence posts per fence. Once you set up your fence, you'll give it a name and then select the pet or pets that will be using the fence. The collar then uploads the fence you just created and saves it, ready to be used. Yay! Now it's time to go test out the collar with the boundaries that you set.